Welcome to the AI Chronicle, your daily AI news briefing. Before we dive in, if you find this valuable, please hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Here are today's top AI stories. Breaking overnight, leaked internal documents from Anthropic reveal a brand new model class called Claude Mythos, sitting above the existing Opus line. The drafts show dramatically higher benchmark scores than anything the company has released before. Two possible names are being considered, and Anthropic is planning a deliberately slow rollout with a heavy focus on cybersecurity. If these leaks are accurate, this could be a game-changer in the AI arms race. The competition just got a whole lot more intense. Over in China, Moonshot AI is making waves with plans to explore a Hong Kong IPO and a massive new funding round of up to $1 billion. The company is eyeing a pre-money valuation of $18 billion, reflecting the enormous appetite for Chinese AI companies going public. This move is part of a broader trend, leading Chinese AI firms are shifting from private fundraising to public markets. If Moonshot pulls this off, expect a flood of AI IPOs to follow in Hong Kong. In a major move that caught the industry off guard, OpenAI is killing Sora, its AI video generation tool. The shutdown happens in two stages. The app goes dark in April, and the API follows in September. On top of that, a $1 billion Disney deal is being unwound, and leadership is being shuffled. OpenAI is clearly pivoting hard toward coding and enterprise products. For creators who built workflows around Sora, this is a wake-up call: never build your business on someone else's platform. Switching gears to sports, as India gears up for another explosive IPL season, the real action might be happening on your phone, not the pitch. AI-powered second-screen experiences are taking off, delivering real-time personalized stats, predictions, and interactive features to millions of cricket fans simultaneously. This isn't just about watching the game anymore, it's a whole new economy being built around attention. India's massive cricket audience is becoming one of the world's biggest AI testbeds for sports entertainment. Hot off the wire from China, Sugon has unveiled the Scalex 40, a cable-free Supernode system packing 40 GPUs into a single unit while slashing power consumption by up to 70%. Priced starting around $1 to $2 million, it's designed to bridge the gap between small servers and massive AI clusters. This is a big deal for enterprise AI. Companies that couldn't afford giant data center build-outs now have a viable path to serious compute power. Energy efficiency in AI just got a major upgrade. On the business side, Wall Street heavyweights JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs just handed SoftBank a staggering $40 billion unsecured loan with a 12-month term. And the big question everyone's asking, is this the signal that an OpenAI IPO is coming in 2026? The timing and size of this deal strongly suggest SoftBank is gearing up for something massive. If OpenAI does go public this year, it could be the biggest tech IPO we've seen in a very long time. All eyes on Masayoshi Son. And here's one that should concern all of us. Anthropic's second economic index reveals a striking finding: the longer people use AI, the better their results get. Sounds great, right? But there's a catch. This compounding advantage means early adopters pull further and further ahead, while those without access fall behind. We could be watching a brand new digital divide form in real time, not between those who have AI and those who don't, but between those who have mastered it and everyone else. Meanwhile, in logistics, ElevenLabs is proving that the future of warehouse work isn't about bigger screens, it's about no screens at all. Their voice AI technology is replacing visual interfaces in picking operations, which account for a whopping 55% of total warehouse operating costs. Workers can now receive instructions and confirm actions entirely hands-free. This is a massive deal for manufacturing and logistics companies looking to cut costs and reduce errors. Voice-first AI is quietly revolutionizing blue-collar work. In a surprising twist from India's startup scene, Medvolt AI is tackling one of science's biggest time sinks: drug discovery. Using OpenAI-powered intelligence, the company is dramatically reducing experimental cycles and pushing promising molecules forward faster than traditional methods allow. Drug discovery has always been defined by staggering costs and repeated failure, but AI is rewriting those rules. India's growing AI pharma ecosystem is positioning itself as a serious global player in this space. This could ultimately mean faster, cheaper medicines for everyone. And finally, Elon Musk's Grok chatbot is in hot water after a Dutch court slapped XAI with a $115,000 daily penalty for every day it fails to remove non-consensual AI-generated nude images. This ruling comes as legal pressure mounts globally against AI platforms that enable deepfake content. Europe is once again leading the charge on AI regulation, and this daily fine structure could become a template for courts worldwide. The message is clear: if your AI creates harmful content, you will pay for it, literally. That's a wrap on today's AI world. The pace of change in artificial intelligence is extraordinary, and we are here to keep you ahead of it every single day. If today's stories opened your eyes, smash that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment which story surprised you most. See you tomorrow on the AI Chronicle.